as an offering. You ever seen a king carry crosses? Boss in my mind like a mosh pit. So sick, my diet.
5-minute advanced trading masterclass. Reclaiming profitability, brought to you by MetaVest.Ai. Psychological resilience. Warren Buffett's wisdom: the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Revisit your trading psychology. Fear and greed are your enemies. Stick to your strategy, not your emotions. Risk management. Golden rule: never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. Use stop-loss orders and set profit targets. Calculate your risk-reward ratio before entering a trade. Technical analysis. Key indicators: moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Fibonacci levels. Use these indicators to identify entry and exit points. Remember, indicators don't predict, they assist. Fundamental analysis. Elon Musk's approach: understand the business, not just the stock. For stocks, look at earnings reports, P/E ratios, and industry trends. For crypto, consider market cap, utility, and adoption rates. Options trading. Advanced strategy: use options for hedging and leveraging. Consider selling covered calls or buying protective puts as part of your strategy. Crypto staking. Passive income: earn rewards by participating in network validation. Choose reputable platforms and cryptos. Understand the staking requirements and potential returns. Diversification. Buffett's wisdom: do not put all eggs in one basket. Diversify across asset classes, industries, and geographical locations. Continuous learning. College professor's advice: the market is an ever-changing entity. Adapt or perish. Keep up to date with market news, trends, and technologies. Always backtest new strategies. Record keeping. Accountability: maintain a trading journal. Record your trades, strategies, and emotions. Review this journal to identify what's working and what's not. Reevaluate and tweak. Iterative process: consistently review your performance. Make data-driven adjustments to your strategies based on performance metrics. Remember, trading is not about winning every trade, it's about winning enough to be profitable over time. Now, take a deep breath, reset your mindset, and jump back into the market with renewed vigor. You've got
And I pray they get up off you. Don't let that nightlife take you to the coffin. Okay. Look at my life as an offering. You ever seen a king carry crosses? Boss in my mind like a